get divorced.
Please don't say that.
I'm unfaithful. I've been unfaithful.
Just one time? 2? Please don't make me count 3.
Keri!
You okay?
No. You have any water? I don't want to get a divorce.
No one does.
She does.
Divorce isn't that big a deal. I read a book.
It was an article.
Whatever. We're open.
Are you fucking with me right now?
We are not monogamous.
By the way, Julie and I had sex last night. Together.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No, I'm not fucking kidding you.
I slept with someone too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, and it was good, so it's all good.
It was good?
You don't even have to talk about it.
You guys are so inspiring. I hope I'm this mature when I'm your age.
We're not that old. Go to bed.
Okay, is it something specific? Because I've been working out. I don't want to have sex with you either, Ashley. Okay, I just want my wife back. God, why does everything have to be so complicated? I'm not that bad looking.
I'm telling you, this kind of shit happens all the time here.
We can clap. Thank you, let's clap. Oh, God. This is normal, right? People go through stuff like this in the first year of marriage.
No. What are you guys doing?